In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer a SurveyMonkey survey to another user step by step in a quick and easy way. If you've ever needed to hand off a survey to a teammate, client, or another account, this is the process you need to know. It only takes a few clicks, and I'll walk you through each one so you can do it confidently without getting stuck. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software guides like this. Alright, let's get started. First, go to SurveyMonkey and sign in to your account. Once you're on the homepage, find the survey you want to transfer. This is important because the transfer option only works after you've selected the specific survey you want to move. So take a moment to locate the correct one before continuing. Next, click the three dots next to the survey. This opens the Actions menu where SurveyMonkey keeps extra options for managing that survey. From the list of options, click Transfer. This is the setting that allows you to move ownership of the survey to someone else. After that, SurveyMonkey will ask you to enter the recipient's details. First, type the username of the person you want to transfer the survey to. Make sure the username is correct, because if you enter the wrong one, the survey could be sent to the wrong account or the transfer may fail. Once the username is entered, type in the email address associated with that user. Again, double check this information before moving forward so the transfer goes smoothly. After both fields are filled in, click Transfer one more time to complete the process. SurveyMonkey will then begin transferring the survey to the new owner. Depending on the account and permissions, the transfer may happen right away or may require the other user to accept it. Once it's finished, the survey will no longer be managed from your account, and the new user will have access to it instead. That's really all there is to it. You've now learned how to transfer a SurveyMonkey survey in just a few simple steps. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.